Often a hose clamp can be buried deep in an engine bay and almost impossible to access. Laser Tools has two solutions for this common problem. The remote operated 4024 hose clamp pliers can reach up to 640mm and get right down into the engine bay. They grip firmly, the clamp is expanded in seconds, and can be locked in the open position if necessary. The 5781 tool has a jaw opening width of up to 40mm and is ideal when access is limited. Fixed into place by hand, the 3/8 inch drive is used to open up the hose clip. Convenient and time saving,